Back with breaking updates coming in of the Supreme Court quashing the centre's refusal to grant security clearance to the Malayalam news channel Media One. In fact, the Supreme Court also pulled up the Ministry of Home Affairs for raising national security claim in thin air, as the Supreme Court called it. The Supreme Court said that the critical views of a media organization cannot be termed anti-establishment, saying the centre can't claim absolute immunity against the investigative reports when such reports impact the rights of people and entities. In fact, it said that national security cannot be raised to deny people their rights. Let's go across to legal editor Harish joining us on the broadcast. Harish, the centre had referred to the channel's reports on the Citizenship Amendment Act as well as the NRC to claim that it was anti-establishment, but the Supreme Court saying independent media is crucial to the functioning of a democratic republic.
Yes, that's right, Pratibha. The MHA had relied on reports of the Media One channel on the reportage of CAA controversy, NRC, criticism of judiciary, state, to conclude that it's an anti-establishment channel. But the Supreme Court bench led by Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud said we don't think that these are justifiable grounds. So very, very serious observations coming in from the Supreme Court bench led by the Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud while the centre's refusal to grant security clearance to Malayalam news channel Media One. In fact, it's owned, remember, by the Jamaati Islami organization. Supreme Court, while lifting ban on the channel, said one, critical views of the channel can't be termed anti-establishment. Number two, this view of the government presumes that press should always support the government. Very, very significant observation. And then also says that independent press is necessary for a robust democracy, and Supreme Court has also slammed the Kerala High Court for upholding the ban on Media One on the basis of centre's sealed cover information. The Supreme Court has very significantly also in this case laid down comprehensive guidelines for courts to adopt sealed cover procedure. Supreme Court has said government has to first convince of national security and then justify how such concern overrides principle of natural justice. So very, very significant observations coming in from the Supreme Court bench, and Supreme Court has allowed the appeals filed by Media One. Again, the centre's decision not to renew the broadcast license for the channel. Supreme Court has very significantly laid down comprehensive guidelines of courts adopting sealed cover, and there is also said that there is nothing to show that the terrorist links, national security claims cannot be made on the basis of thin air. It is seen that none of the material is against national security or threatens public order, and very significantly said critical views of a media organization can't be termed anti-establishment. Supreme Court has said that centre can't claim absolute immunity against investigative reports when such reports impact rights of people.
All right. Harish, we'll have to leave it at that.